Okay people, well, if you ignore the thumbnail, it's a surprise today. It's a Rolex restoration. But this is no ordinary Rolex. This is a Rolex vise. Right, shall we have a look at some of the damage to the jaws and the anvil? Alright, so it has been used, this, and we're going to make it better than new. Okay, now I did find a couple of these for sale, unrestored, so I thought what I'll do, I'll restore mine and totally devalue them. Right, it's time to clean up the mess of those jaws and anvil. And I do mean properly clean, let's polish them. Okay, now because we've used polish and we're going to paint it, you're going to have to give it a proper good wipe. This is a 70% alcohol wipe. Right, this is to get in all the detailed bits. I am, in another minute, going to give them a wipe with a shop towel soaked in alcohol. Just to make sure all the bits of polish are gone before painting. Once again, you do this to make sure it's 100% free of any polish. Okay, so that's that all nicely taped up. That can go off to the spray shop. And while we're waiting for that to come back, we're going to have to do something with the drive screw handle. So we'll get it on the wire wheel to see what we're working with, and that does shine up quite nice just off the wire wheel. So over to the fibre wheel next and give it a good old fibring. Right, reassemble, and do you remember how bad that anvil was? Well, it's not now. And what about those jaws? They had a few nicks and digs in them, didn't they? Well, again, not now. Shall we see the total finished result?